Alright, from here, this is Ndo 2 compound. As you can see, this very compound, how it is at the moment. You can see that is flood, surrounded the building, and they almost both inside the bush, everywhere, surrounded by the moving flood. So, this is the present look of this environment in regards to the flood. As you can see, by other buildings surrounded. So now these are the block molders. As you can see, this main mix here is being affected by the rain, just like this one here. It's damaged, So all right, we are hoping and look at over there. The cloud is crossing the road, and gradually all of them are coming out from the nearby bush, as you can see. So all this place now have been covered. If you watch it, you can see the flood over there. That's Uguapo village. That building over there is at Uguapo village. So all these places are tropical environments, surrounded by palm trees and bush. So anyway, by God's grace, I believe in the nearest future this place will be a story to tell, that will no longer be experiencing this kind of floods over here. Yes, we hope God will do something better. By His special grace, something will be done over here. As you can see, the place is being rehabilitated, renovated, and the work is in progress. Actually, the workers, I think they were being chased out by the rain, so they couldn't continue for today. But definitely tomorrow they will be back. So the workers who have here left are the block molders. They are still doing their best to make sure that they remove the ones that was being affected by the rain. Just like this ones here, they have to remove it as well. These ones have to be molded. Alright, thank you very much. Join us next time. Yes, still at Ndo 2 compound. This is the level of flood, from the bush. As you can see, it's circulating and taking part of almost, all the roads surrounded. As you can see, the flow, the current is hard. So look at this building here, has been covered by the rain, by the flood. The flood is high. The flood is high. It's much. That building, this particular building here has been covered almost. Very soon now to start entering inside the parlor and other places. So this is the fence, it has been already pulled out. Alright. So as you can see, it's not an easy experience, honestly. And the rain didn't rain much, just a little rain that rained like this, and it's like more like how many hours rain? Just an hour rain ago. As you can see, everywhere is covered now. In the next 30 minutes, I believe this road, the entire road now will be covered. Even this covert will not be seen anymore, because this one's now dumping over here. These are wastes. They couldn't pass through the channel of the water. So, it's been a look at that car coming. You can see the level of the water or the car. So, it's not an easy one. It's not an easy one. So, it's not an easy one. So, as you can see the level of this flood, that's how the thing is. Even inside the bushes and even at that building over there nearby. We'll thank God and we hope something better will be done in the nearest future so that we'll not be experiencing this ugly situation. Alright, thank you very much. The voice you're hearing is the voice of Comrade Uchi Digital. Alright.